Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel Login Aid. In this guide video, I will show you how to change rule in Zapier. So first of all, what you have to do is launch open any browser of your choice. You can see over here I have opened Google Chrome. Now click on the search bar and type in zapier.com. Log into your account and you'll be led to this kind of interface. So if you want to change the rule, it is actually very simple. At top right corner of your screen, you'll be able to find your profile icon over here. Simply click on it. Now you'll be able to find various options over here. Click on the option settings that you can see on the screen. Now after you do that, you'll be led to the settings interface. You'll be able to access the settings options from here. At left, you'll be able to find various options over here. You'll be able to find the options like My Profile, Notifications, Security and Data, Billing and Uses, etc. Make sure My Profile option is selected. Now in My Profile option, what you have to do is simply scroll down. Now over here, you'll be able to find the section for role over here. You can see over here right now Project Management is selected. So what you have to do is simply click on it. Now you'll be able to find various other roles over here. Simply click on the role that you would like to change to. Now after you do that, click on this option Save Changes that you can see on the screen. Now you can see over here your changes have been saved. Now your role has been changed. So that is how you change role in Zapier. I hope you found this video helpful. Thank you for watching. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel.